Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline track, tap onto the video itself, just like this. Then scroll to your right, and here you can find the option of volume. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can decrease the volume of the video like this. Then simply tap onto the check mark. Like this, the background noise of the video has been reduced. And that's it. This is how you can remove the background noise from your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.